In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp, a powerful way to streamline your workflow by connecting these two robust platforms via Zapier. This integration can save you a ton of time and effort by automating tasks. Whether you're a project manager looking to keep everything organized or just someone who loves efficiency, this is for you. We'll kick things off by heading over to Zapier's homepage. Zapier is a fantastic automation tool that acts as a bridge between different apps, allowing you to create powerful workflows that save time. Once you're on Zapier's homepage, you'll want to click on the Create button. This is where you'll start building your custom automation, known as a Zap. After you've clicked Create, navigate to the Zaps section. Here, enter Connect Airtable to ClickUp in the search bar. This will bring up options related to establishing a connection between these platforms. Once you've done that, click on Start Building to continue setting up your Zap. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger. Triggers are events that start a Zap. Type Airtable in the search field, and then click on the corresponding Airtable option. This will set Airtable as the application where your trigger event originates. Then choose an event that you'd like to use as a trigger. With Airtable ready to go, it's time to set up the action part of our Zap. Actions are the tasks your Zap performs after being triggered. In the search field, type ClickUp and click on ClickUp when it appears. Now we have ClickUp set as the application where our action will occur. At this point, you'll need to sign into both your Airtable and ClickUp accounts if prompted. Simply follow the in-screen instructions. Click on Sign In, then Yes, continue to ClickUp, and finally select your ClickUp workspace. This confirms the accounts you want your Zap to work with. Now back in Zapier, after selecting your workspace, click on Connect Workspace to authorize the connection between ClickUp and Zapier. Select an event that will occur in ClickUp as a result of our trigger in Airtable, and click on Continue. With your trigger and action set up, click on Choose a Workspace, and Choose Value, selecting the options that best fit your needs. This fine-tunes what workspace and data fields your integration will use. Once everything is set, continue through the remaining prompts to finalize your Zap. And just like that, you've learned how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp using Zapier. By setting up this automated workflow, you're one step closer to achieving a more efficient and productive work environment. Remember, the great thing about Zapier is its flexibility. You can always go back and make adjustments to your Zap, ensuring it perfectly suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!